مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. In this lesson, we're going to speak about frequency of actions. How many times or how often do you do something? يلا نبلش. So the question is كم مرة literally means how many times. مرة literally means a time, a single time. مرة, and that's a noun. Now in the dual, مرتين, مرتين in the dual. So we add the suffix "n" to change it to the dual. So مرة, مرتين. Notice that typically we do not pronounce the round ta at the end. However, over here we're going to pronounce it because it's there are other letters after it. So it's going to become مرتين. 3 times تلت مرات, تلت مرات. So in the plural مرات. 4 times أربع مرات, أربع مرات. Note that we do not say تلاتي مرات. When we are counting something, we're dropping the vowel, the A over here. We don't say تلاتي, A. Or we drop the A vowel, أربعة, A. We say أربع مرات. Same thing over here, not خمسة مرات, خمس مرات. So I'm going to read them again for you. مرة, مرتين, ثلاث مرات, أربع مرات, خمس مرات, 6 مرات, 6 times, 7 مرات, 7 times, 8 مرات, 8 times, 9 مرات, 9 times, 10 مرات. Now after that 11 مرة, 12 مرة, 13 مرة, and so on. And how to count things, that's in the counting lesson. You'll find that in another lesson. To ask how often, كل قد إيه. And you're going to see examples of both questions in the next slides. For example, over here, how many times per day or in a day do you brush your teeth? كم مرة باليوم بتفرشي سنانك? كم مرة باليوم بتفرشي سنانك? I can also say كم مرة بالنهار, but they are kind of like synonyms. يوم is a day. نهار actually means day light, but we also say we use it to imply a day as well. So if I say أنا بشتغل بالنهار وبنام بالليل, I work in the daytime literally or during the day, and I sleep at night. أنا بشتغل بالنهار وبنام بالليل. So it's the same thing. There are synonyms within this context. كم مرة باليوم بتفرشي سنانك؟ أو كم مرة بالنهار بتفرشي سنانك؟ And you can say أنا بفرشي سناني 3 مرات باليوم. مرة على الترويقة, مرة على الغداء, مرة على العشاء. Or we can say after breakfast, مرة بعد الترويقة, مرة بعد الغداء, once after lunch, مرة بعد العشاء, once after dinner. So 3 مرات باليوم أو 3 مرات بالنهار. How many times per week or in a week do you eat pizza? كم مرة بالأسبوع بتاكل بيتزا؟ كم مرة بالأسبوع بتاكل بيتزا؟ Notice after كم, the noun is always singular. After كم, when we ask how many times, in English that's plural, times and not time, but in Arabic that's going to be singular. So it's like saying how many time. So for example, how many books did you read? We literally say how many book did you read? كم كتاب قريت? كم كتاب and not كتب, for example. So كم مرة بالأسبوع بتاكل pizza? How many times in a week do you eat pizza? أنا باكل بيتزا مرة واحدة بالأسبوع. only a single time. So مرة وحدة. Let me write this down for you. مرة وحدة. So مرة means once, but you can add وحدة as an adjective as well. That means a single time. مرة وحدة. In standard Arabic, that would be واحدة. So وحدة is the feminine of واحد, which is one. And when we're speaking about the time, for example, قد إيه الساعة, we say الساعة وحدة. We don't say الساعة واحد. We use the feminine. الساعة تنتين, الساعة ثلاثة. So مرة وحدة. We can say مرتين بالأسبوع. أنا باكل بيتزا 3 مرات بالأسبوع, and so on. How many times per week do you go to the movies? كم مرة بالأسبوع بتروح على السينما؟ أنا بروح مرة وحدة بالأسبوع, a single time, أو مرة. You can say مرة أو مرة وحدة, that's the same thing. You can say مرتين بالأسبوع, 3 مرات بالأسبوع, and so on. Now to say only one time, you can say مرة بس. بس means just. That's it, only or just. مرة بس أو مرة وحدة بس, same thing. Only one time. بس has different usages. بس could come over here as in only or just. And it could also be used to say, hey, enough, stop that. Like, let's say someone is annoying you, you say بس, as in stop. That's enough. Stop, or like enough, بس. Or let's say somebody is literally pouring food for you, giving you food, and they're putting too much on your plate. We say بس, that's enough. Like بس شكرا. Obviously you have to be polite, so you say بس شكرا يسلموا and things like that. بس can also mean but, as in a conjunction. So أنا بحب البيتزا بس ما بحب for example البوظة. I don't like ice cream. بس, but. So that's a conjunction. So different usages of the word بس. Good to know. We drifted a bit away from what we're talking about. Okay. How many times per week do you study Arabic? كم مرة بالأسبوع بتدرس عربي؟ أنا بدرس عربي مرة وحدة بالأسبوع. Once a week. مرة وحدة بس بالأسبوع. Only once a week. أنا بدرس عربي مرتين بالأسبوع. أو 3 مرات بالأسبوع. يوم الاثنين ويوم الثلاثاء ويوم الأربعاء. On a Monday and Tuesday and a Wednesday. How many times per week do you see your friends? أنا بشوف رفقاتي كل يوم. I see my friends every day. كل يوم. So كم مرة بالأسبوع بتشوف رفقاتك؟ كم مرة بالأسبوع بتشوف رفقاتك؟ رفقة are friends in the plural. رفقة. رفقاتك your friends. أنا بشوف رفقاتي مرة وحدة بالأسبوع بس. Only one time a week. أو أنا بشوف رفقاتي كل يوم, every day. How many times per week do you eat out? كم مرة بالأسبوع بتاكل برا؟ برا literally means out or outside. أنا باكل برا مرة وحدة بالأسبوع بس. Just one time a week outside, literally my home. That means I eat out in English, as you would say. أنا باكل برا كل يوم. I eat out every day. كل يوم. Now to ask how often we use the expression كل قد إيه. قد إيه, which commonly is how much. So كل قد إيه literally means كل قد إيه, every how long, kind of within that literal meaning. So كل قد إيه بتفرشي سنانك, for example. How often do you brush your teeth? فرشي سناني كل يوم 3 مرات. Every day 3 times, for example. كل قد إيه بتاكل بيتزا؟ أنا باكل بيتزا كل شهر مرة. Every week, every month once, literally. كل شهر مرة. So كل literally means every. So if I say كل شهر مرة, every month once, literally, let me write that down. كل شهر مرة, that means literally every month once. كل شهر. كل يوم, every day. كل يوم مرة, for example, every day once. You can say مرة باليوم, once in a day. أو مرة بالشهر, once in a month. مرة بالسنة, once in a year. مرة بالأسبوع, once in a week, and so on. مرتين بالسنة, twice in a year. So depending on how you'd like to answer. كل قد ايه بتروح على السينما? How often do you go to the movies? Same thing. كل قد ايه بتدرس عربي? How often do you study Arabic? كل قد ايه بتشوف رفقاتك? How often do you see your friends? And the final one, كل قد ايه بتاكل برا? How often do you eat out? So if we look over here, let's do a simple exercise regarding the World Cup. So we have over here Brazil, Italia, Almanya, Uruguay, Argentina, فرنسا, España, Inglaterra. Now this is not very up to date, but it's just an exercise. Okay, so if I ask كم مرة ربحت البرازيل? Verb ربح is to win. ربح, يربح is verb to win. So كم مرة ربحت البرازيل? We refer to countries in the feminine. I'm going to write it in Arabic as well. كم مرة ربحت البرازيل? And you can reply saying البرازيل ربحت. So we have خمسة over here. 5 مرات. البرازيل ربحت 5 مرات. كم مرة ربحت إيطاليا؟ إيطاليا ربحت 4 مرات. 4 مرات. كم مرة ربحت ألمانيا؟ ألمانيا ربحت 4 مرات كمان. Also كمان. الأوروغواي ربحت مرتين بس. Only 2 times. الأرجنتين ربحت مرتين بس. فرنسا كمان ربحت مرتين بس. إسبانيا ربحت مرة واحدة بس. Only a single time. وإنجلترا ربحت مرة واحدة بس. So هيدا كان درسنا. تذكروا منيح, remember very well, كم مرة, how many times, كل قد ايه, how often. شكرا لكم.
Wanna learn Lebanese Colloquial Arabic from zero and from lesson 1? No previous knowledge whatsoever of Arabic is needed. These courses are handcrafted to get you speaking Lebanese from day one, from beginner to intermediate level, with complete peace of mind, quality resources, and mobile access. You can purchase a course individually, or you can purchase all courses for a one-off discounted fee. This way you can cruise with ease from beginner to upper intermediate level with no hefty fees, and that's really a bargain. Lifetime access, that means no monthly bills and no subscriptions, so you can have peace of mind and take your own time and just focus on your learning. Exclusive video tutorials. You don't have to scrounge the internet for resources and lessons. It's all waiting for you and accessible at the click of a button. A multitude of eBooks to download. Your own mini library for learning Lebanese. You are covered 100% in terms of written resources and notes. Everything is in English translation and transliteration, as well as Arabic text. More peace of mind if you don't know how to read and write Arabic. You will have the text, translation, transliteration, and the video. There's no silly TikToking and no pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support all the way. Your time is precious.
and just what you need to speak Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and no spam email. Flexible learning, learn anytime via PC, laptop, tablet, mobile, you choose. Learn on your own terms, on the bus or the train or in the coziness of your own home. Get exclusive free bonus content and giveaways from the best-selling paid resources on the blog. You will certainly enjoy all the freebies. If you're thinking, yes, I want in, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/spoken-arabic. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.